we'll guide you through how to navigate the Asana Knowledge Base effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Help option in the upper right corner and click on it. This will take you to the Asana Knowledge Base. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page where you can type in keywords or specific topics you're interested in. For example, if you want to learn about task management, simply type Task Management into the search bar and press Enter. This will pull up a list of articles, guides, and FAQs related to your query. You can click on any of the results to read more in-depth information. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you can also browse through the categories listed below the search bar, such as Getting Started, Projects, Tasks, and more. Each category is packed with detailed articles and tutorials to help you make the most of Asana's features. Another useful tip is to check out the Popular Articles section on the right side of the page, which highlights the most commonly accessed resources by other users. This can be particularly helpful if you're looking for best practices or troubleshooting advice. Remember, the knowledge base is constantly updated with new content, so it's a good idea to bookmark it for quick access in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.